Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video you are going to get ready with me, so have your makeup next to you and let's do makeup. So, today I'm going to do a simple makeup. It's not going to be nothing complicated. I will do foundation, concealer, powder, a little bit of bronzing and blush and something on the eyes, but not very complicated, smoky or something like that. It will be a daytime makeup, so keep on watching and you will see the final result. I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and give me a thumbs up at this video if you like it. And if you want to say something about me or about my technique or about my makeup, please leave a comment down below with your opinion and I will be sure and answer you as soon as I can. So with all this said, let's go into the video. So I did my eyebrows and I prepared my eyelids, and now I'm going to use this palette. This is from Morphe. It's the Jacqueline and Morphe palette. It's the Ring the Alarm palette. So I'm going to do a basic makeup, so I'm going to use this color over here called Rush to put it in my crease. And I am going to use a very large brush. I'm going to use this brush to blend all the colors. So I love doing my makeup with you guys. It's so much fun than being all alone and bored. So thanks for hanging up with me. Okay, I will take a smaller blending brush. It will be this brush. This brush is from Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite Crease, it's called, and I'm going to take this color over here called Allard and I'm going to put it a little bit lower than my crease, like my most intense color. Tapping in the outer V and then bringing it up in my crease. Then I will take the brush that I used early to blend up the edges to make everything look a little bit more flawless, and I don't want to have harsh lines. Okay, like so. And the next step is I will take this wet dry eyeshadow from Pupa Milano. It's in from the Vamp collection. Like so, and with my other finger I'm going to take the color Alert and I'm going to blend these two colors together. Like so. the same thing I'm going to do to this eye. I'm taking the color Alert and put it over here and blending these two colors together. With this. So the eyes are almost done, but first I'm going to do some wings and some mascara and apply a little bit of falsies because I'm dramatic and it looks good on camera. So I will be right back with you guys. So I'm back. I put some falsies. I did my eye wings, my eyeliner wings. So next I'm going to use this mattifying primer base from L'Oréal Paris, and I'm going to use it in the T area where my pores are larger. So over here. So I'm going to tap it in the skin. Get it. Okay. Apply my foundation. So after I apply my foundation, I'm going to take a corrector, a concealer, and I'm going to take this concealer. This is from CATRICE and it's in the shade 005, and I'm going to apply under my eyes and blend it with my beauty blender. And I will set everything with this powder from Boysenberry, the Micro Touch powder in the shade Ivory. Okay, I will let the powder to set a little bit, and I will do my under eye area. So I'm going to use the same palette, the same colors, and I'm going to put it under my my eyes. And I'm going to use this brush. I'm going to use this brush. This is a 234 Lux Smoky Shader from Zoeva, and I will start with that color, which is Access, and I will put it under my eye, blending it as low as I want. And then with the same brush, I'm going to take the more intense color, the more dark color, called Agent. And I'm going to blend it a little bit higher than my first color. Like so. And from the same palette I will take this color over here called VIP, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner and a little bit of highlighter, inner corner highlighter. brush. With this brush I'm going to highlight my inner corner like this and like this. My under eye already baked, so I'm taking a brush and brush all it off. And then with a bigger brush, I will take this brush, I will apply a little bit of powder all over my face. Next, this duo is from Sleek. I will take this color to contour my face a little bit, and I'm going to use this brush to contour a little bit. Being a daytime makeup, I will not contour very much, so yes. Next I will use this blush. This is from Gerovital in the shade Peach, and it looks like this. And I will apply this on my cheeks for a touch of color. Highlighter, I'm going to take this highlighter from this duo and I will apply it on the highest point of my cheeks. On my nose, on the bridge of the nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin, a little bit on my forehead. So pretty. Okay, for lips I'm going to use this lipstick from Gerovital in the shade 11, Criminal Lipstick it's called, and the shade is this one. Okay. So, this is the final look. What do you think? I think it's so pretty and so easy to do. I only used 3 colors, so easy. I only used 2 brushes, plus or minus from the brush that I used to do my wing liner, but overall it's a easy makeup. If you enjoy watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below. Thanks a lot for watching. Send you the best. Kisses.